Number 5. Blueair Pure 411. Blueair Pure 411 is the best budget air purifier on the market right now. With its simple one-button control, you can easily adjust the fan speed to ensure optimal air quality, perfect for uninterrupted sleep. You'll love how quickly this purifier cleans the air in your room, in just 12.5 minutes for a small space or 60 minutes for a larger area. Plus, it's quieter than a whisper on low, so you won't be disturbed during the night. This purifier is perfect for those with asthma or allergies, as it removes 99.99% of pollen and other allergens. And with HEPA silent technology, it can filter out particles as small as 0.1 micron, making it ideal for wildfire season. The only downside is that you'll need to replace the filter every 6 months, but it's a small price to pay for the clean air you'll be breathing. And while it may not be the most aesthetically pleasing purifier, its performance more than makes up for it. In conclusion, Blueair Pure 411 is the top choice for anyone looking for an affordable air purifier that delivers excellent results. Check it out for yourself and breathe easier today.